The first game that we are going to play tonight is called Dig Dug Revival. This is a, I don't know what you call it. It's not a remake, I don't suppose. It's a tribute, I guess, to Dig Dug. I know it's updated, but the selling point of this new release is that the levels are randomized. And that is going to be interesting because I definitely, when I played Dig Dug, especially the arcade versions of Dig Dug, I memorized the levels. Like I had patterns for the levels. So this is going to be interesting to see. This is not just won't be memorization. This is more reflex based, and as everybody knows, I have no reflexes. So let's see what we've got here. We've got play. We've got difficulty, normal, hard, expert, easy. You know what? I'm going to go with normal. Normally I'd go with easy, but I'm going to stay normal. Best scorers and credits. All right. And this is 2023 by LC Games. Hello, Mac Apple. Thanks for joining us. I see Aaron dropped in. Homage. That's a good term for it. So Dig Dug Revival. Okay. Oh boy. Oh, I like both. Oh. I was looking at the fight cards there. All right, I like it so far. This is the old trick. Give yourself a little space there. Now on the second rock that you drop is when the fruit appears. Now we're going to have to watch and see if these guys can come through the dirt that way. Alright. Now that guy should make a run for it, but I should have hit him a third time. Well, this looks really good. I like it. Yeah, the colors of the dirt, I believe, are probably the same as the original. See how aggressive these guys are. Not, they're pretty aggressive. You see how fast they come out of their little hidey holes? I just wanted to run past that one, really. Just kind of getting a feel for it at the moment. That Rygar's already out of his little spot. Puka's out. Oh boy. Well, he's making a run for it. Present for you. I do like the graphics. I like the graphics of the Rygar and of the Puka. Oh, that's bad. That was a bad move. My part. Boy, I mean, they waste no time in becoming ghosts and coming after you. Look at that. It's a little aggressive. All right, we're going to give it a real try now. Yeah, I don't need to claim that score. Saving scores. That's a nice feature. Dig Dug. Steel Rat, I'll have to remind me. I know I ended up with a Dig Dug cartridge. I don't know if it came from Steel Rat. Somebody, I never bought it, so it came from somebody. I acquired it along the way. In fact, I think, if I remember right, it like has some like the the screws came out of it or something, and it's like additional screws that have been added, and they're longer than the normal screws. All right, buddy. You can outrun them on straight ground. Not when you're digging, though. When you're digging, it's a fair game. Oh, no. I will say that I'm playing with a PlayStation with a D-pad, which makes it a little bit hard. Sometimes the four-way controls are a little bit off, but all right. Round 2. Up and down, up and down. All right. Probably should have saved that dude, but that's okay. That's how you do that. You've been dug, dig. That's my new catchphrase. You've been dug. Oh, there's 2 guys in there. I didn't see the second guy. Oh, this is going to be interesting now, because now they're going to be free, right? Alright, let's go this way. Don't you come out yet. Alright. Not the best strategy. No, don't get me. Oh, there's a guy right there. I wasn't looking. Oh, what do we got? We got Rhaegar here. Oh, and a Puka. Alright, we're going to take care of 2 Dugs with 1 dig. No, don't fire me. Alright. Piece of cake. Yeah, I did happen to see that on Twitter that they were having a high score contest, and I had not tried this yet when I first saw that, but uh-oh. Nope, you're gonna get me in a corner. Yeah. That was a bad strategy on my part. Yeah, the funny thing about high score stuff is every now and then I feel like I'll be doing, like I'll be going, I'll be doing good on a particular game, and then I'll have a game where I actually do great, and I'll be like, hey, I'm in it to win it now, and then I'll look at the high score and I'm like 6 figures behind everybody else. Like I'm not in the remote neighborhood. What am I doing? I like to watch behind me, not in front of me. That's a bad technique in the old digger of Dugs. Yeah, I know you're coming. Alright, here's an old trick. Oh, that was not that was not the old trick. That was called the dum-dum trick. Who's coming? You want some? You want some? Of course, you get more points the lower they are in the maze. And I know for Figar, I don't know about Pukas, but you get more points if you inflate them when you're facing left and right instead of up and down. Oh no. I couldn't do no pumping. Ay, ay, ay. See if that's enough to tempt anybody to come play. Okay, this is literally the world's worst strategy. Because now that guy's coming that way too. I think we'll just stay up here. Let's finish this like men. With me shooting you in the head before you have a chance to react. Well, I kind of like this little version. I like it. Oh, what am I doing? Oh my gosh. What's a score? What are we looking at? Scores. What did I get? Oh, I only got to round 5. We can do better than round 5. Come on. Come on. Hey, Scott. Hey, Dave. Good to see everybody coming in. Oh, my gosh. Hold on for a second. We got action on Monkey Cam. Let's go to Monkey Cam. The zookeeper has shown up with food. He's filling the food. The monkeys are going to go crazy. He's not in his jumpsuit, though. This is more like a polo and khakis dude. What are we doing there? That's not food. When there's real food, the deer come. What are they doing? Oh, he's fixing. Look at that guy. Look how happy that monkey is now. That monkey has a baby monkey on his back too. And he's like, look how happy we are with this this pitcher that pours this stuff out now. Oh boy. Then there's the monkey. I like this guy up here. The monkey guy that's on the roof. There's a lot going on with Monkey Cam today. All right, where were we? It is in Japan. It is a live stream from a Japanese zoo, and it is called the Monkey and Deer Camp. Wasn't there? Yeah, I was going to say, wasn't there a Pook over there a second ago? I found him. Don't worry. He's on my face. Let's try that technique. Now here's the old technique. Is there a start over button? Oh, there is a start over button. It's just disguised as a rock. There we go. Let's try this again. Ay, ay, ay. All right. Our highest round is round 5, which is not very good. Not very good. In the world of digging and dugging, that is. Oh, okay. they're just so aggressive. And I mean, I'm not playing a super high level. There you go, buddy. Got to drop the second rock. That's one of the keys to Dig Dug. The second rock releases the bonus in the middle of the screen. Yeah, you know, it's really not, it's just kind of like, it's not really like, going for the points like I'm going for the record. It's doing it out of habit, you know, just, I thought I could get that guy before the other guy. Again, there are some point strategies. You know, getting the bonus things. If you can do that and then get them from the side, you'll get more points. The lower you are, you get more points. So those are easy things to help rack up your score a little bit. Okay. So that looks like there's a... Oh, geez, Louise. Golly. They are fast on the draw. And then watch. So this is a sign of a good player, is that I'm going to go do the exact same thing again. And feel like I could get away with it the second time. There we go. Come on, boys. Oh, this is going to be good. Unfortunately. Come on, at least get that. There we go. Would have got more points for clearing the board, but yeah. All right. Round 4. I did not get to round 5. We're not stopping until I get to round 5 again. This is Drezu. This is the new Dig Dug revival for the Commodore 64. This was just released within the last month, and it is. Well, you know what? In a minute here, we'll throw on the original just so you can kind of see the difference. The graphics are a lot better on this version. I like how the rocks are drawn with the little black outline. Okay, that was kind of stupid, actually, from a point perspective. Yeah, it's kind of hard, like I said, with... Oh, geez. Oh, boy. Hello. Alright. That guy's a little aggressive. So the idea... there's too many in there. If I were a real streamer, I would hook up my arcade stick. Now this is going to be a 5-car sandwich here in a minute. No. Yeah, see, it's that. Oh, boy. That's the last thing I need. Round 2, round 3. Yeah, if we were just trying to clear rounds, you can go through rounds pretty quickly. He says, God, why do I ever say anything smug? So here's the key. If you could hold one guy like this, and wait for the other guys to come, it's kind of like keeping one on the hook, and then you get that guy, and then you get that guy. Oh, then you run into that guy. It's a little hard to see the white on the yellow when the white guys are in the yellow. All right, well, I like this. This is a win. This is for sure a win. Let's, just for giggles, this is not a testament to my skill. This is a curiosity. We're going to put it on expert, and I just want to see what the difference is. Let's see how it looks on expert and see what changes. I'm watching. We've got 4 monsters still. Immediately, we've got 2 in the dirt. 3 in the dirt. What are the odds I can get this, get that? Okay. Do that. All right. Okay, there's one. Now here's another thing you can do. If you can get the guy on the rock like that, then you can kill him before he materializes. Okay, that worked out pretty good. I seem to be doing as good on the difficult, extreme hard one as I did on the normal one. So far, so good. I got a feeling it's going to ramp up here very shortly. Alright. Check this dude out. Okay. So also, if you see a guy coming in the dirt, line him up. Yeah. Alright. I am not going to have time to get this rock and get that guy and get this. Maybe I am. I'd rather have the bonus than the guy. But now I got neither. Neither. Alright. One down. I don't have enough space to get that guy. Let's see, we'll pause him. We'll give ourselves a little escape here. We'll get that guy. This guy's gonna make a run for it. Come on. Eh. By the way, we're on round 5 on the difficult level. Oh, the third color change. Well, we're about to have a shootout here. Could I get them all? No. They done ganged up on me. I couldn't get to a rock fast enough. Well, now I see what makes it difficult. Let's try this. Oh boy. Golly, look at that. They just ghost you all the way through. Yeah, you don't on this you can't you can't quite fire as fast as you can in the arcade version. So it's hard to, like, if you're gonna run one way and then like kind of try to stack them, if you will. It's kind of hard to do that. It's harder to do that in this version. Round 6. I should have just started on the hardest level. Man, I think I was too relaxed on... Oh, boy. I was too relaxed on the easier level. Oh, I was about to celebrate. I thought I got them all. Holy camole. That was not a... Yeah, Aaron, I think this is a popular one right now. I think everybody is giving it a check out. Anytime you take a classic game... You know what we're going to play next? Well, we will play, just for giggles. Come on, one of you two. There you go. Oh, I didn't see that guy, darn it. Hey, we got to round 7. That's not bad. All right, yeah, this one's a winner. This one is a winner. I mean, this is, here's your formula. Take a beloved classic arcade game, put it on the arguably best 8-bit computer system, and then make it better than the original release. Not bad. Not bad at all. I like it. This goes into regular rotation for me. I like that. Yeah, this is a good one. What did we get to? Level 5? I did much better on the... Didn't I do better on the hard version? I did terrible on the normal version. But we're just going to leave it normal. So this is Dig Dug Revisited... one of its other than obviously having updated graphics is a big selling point. The gameplay has obviously been updated, but one of its other selling points is that the levels have been randomized, so you can't just you can't memorize the patterns and make it real easy to play. I'm better at Dig Dug tonight than I am at Donkey Kong, that's for sure. Yeah, they're like a boss. The new Monkey Island is pretty good. You know, there was a lot of controversy about that new version of Monkey Island with the new style of graphics and stuff. And I know that the guy that was working on it, you know, he was kind of getting upset on Twitter, you know. I'll tell you know, I'm the last guy in the world to say don't take it personally, because I take everything personally. I literally take everything personally. And my mom, one time when I was a little kid, I don't remember what it was. I got upset. I got my feelings hurt about something, you know. And she was like, if you go through life just getting mad about everything, you're going to have a long life. And I was like, well, she was right. Because I did. Oh, come on. Was that only one rock? Come on, boulder, dude. Oh, boy. I messed that up, didn't I? But, you know, I mean, if you're making a game, you know, like Monkey Island, I mean, you could just figure, just be like, there's going to be so many people that hate it. They're not going to like an updated style. They're not going to like, you know, anything like that. Oh, he tricked me. Did you see him cut the corner there? I was trying to get him to follow me down there. I was literally playing with fire. Yeah, I knew you were going to do that. Should have zigged when I should have zagged. No, I'm just gonna be asking for trouble if I do that. Sometimes you gotta catch those guys. Like when they're ghosts, you gotta kind of guide them into little paths. Alright, let's get you to come over here. Come over here. Oh, not both of you. I want both of you. I accidentally won. I didn't mean to. Who comes first? That guy? Oh, no, look. Oh, it was a perfect plan. Foiled again. Foiled again. Oh, yeah, I forgot I got that extra man. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. Take a stand here. Man, I shouldn't do this. Well, those points I lost by getting him up there. Look at that. It's a pump party and everybody's invited. You're invited. You're invited. You're invited. Oh, but you got an invite to the rock party. That should give me enough time for that. That should make that happen. Easy 2,000 points. What are we on? Round 7? This is better than we did before. I'm getting used to this now. Aaron wants to know if there's another Wolfman Flak this weekend. That's my Saturday night music jam that Aaron renamed Wolfman Flax and has kind of caught on. It's possible. Oh boy. It's possible. I will say, look at that score. Look, there's no shame in that. I'll take that. I mean, unless I was in a high score competition, at which point it would be terrible. But